everyone. So you have to fill up one Google Sheet that will be given by your class teachers, and that is very important, and this is called SIS, Student Information Systems. So a lot of details are required, and that will be uploaded in the website, so that our school will have a details of all the students, and the similar thing is done also for the teachers. Okay, so that is a database systems, online database systems of a given organizations known as SIS, Students Information Systems. So first of all, you see, you will be given one Google Sheet. Now on the Google Sheet, all of you will get one page, matlab one sheet for all of you. So you have to write only on your sheet. You should not write on other sheet. This is the first thing. You have to be honest on that. Plus, you should not edit data of others. Is that okay? You should not edit data of others. That is most important thing while filling Google Sheet in open form. So suppose in 8B there are 36 students. So for each of you there is a sheet, already created sheet. You should not create any sheet. Suppose here you see sheets are Akramal, okay, sheets are there, Abdul, okay, sheets are there, Raju. So you can see here Akramal, Abdul, Raju, sheets are created. Okay, so in this way, if you scroll, you will get sheets. What to do? You just have to scroll in this way, you'll get a sheet. First you see Akramal, then Raju, okay. So in this way you'll get all the sheets. You just scroll it from right to left, scroll it from right to left, so you'll get sheet. So all of you will get your sheet. Okay? So you'll get your sheet. You have to find out your sheet only. Apna sheet dondo, scrolling from right to left. Okay, so once you find out your sheet, you have to fill there. Suppose now I am using Akramul sheet. Okay, so I have to click on Akramul. So the moment I click on Akramul sheet, so his sheet comes. Suppose first thing is what? First thing is we have to fill up names. नाम लिखना है. So we'll fill up the names. Say Akramul Hussain, AKRAMUL, Akramul Hussain. Okay. So now see, after writing Akramul Hussain, if you don't tick on the right symbol, nothing will be saved. Here you see, you'll get, or I have put the arrow, the right symbol. So you have to click on that right symbol. Listen properly. You have to click on that right symbol. So once I click on the right symbol, it will be saved. Otherwise, it will not be saved. Again, see, you have to tick on the right symbol on the left side top corner. Here you have to tick. Okay. So once we tick, his name will come. So again I am showing it to you. Akramul Hussain. Okay. So now see, again I have ticked. So now see, his name is saved. But if you don't forget to tick on the press on the right symbol, it will not be saved. That is the specialty of Google Sheet. Is it clear? Now suppose date of birth. I have to write date of birth, suppose. So 23 say 06 say 2010. Okay. So we have to tick on the right symbol. Otherwise it will not be saved. So here you'll get the right symbol. So I have to tick. So after ticking that one or clicking that one, again you have to click on the right symbol on the left top corner. Otherwise it will not be saved. So see, I have ticked, I have clicked. So now see, Akramul Hussain, date of birth 23/6/2010, saved. Okay, it is saved. So similarly, there are many informations you have to fill up. If you have any doubt, you ask the teachers before filling it up. There are many informations which are not required also, which is not applicable to you. Leave that. Okay. So in this way you can fill it up all the things. Now again you will find difficulties in inserting photos. So you have to fix your photos, father photo, mother photo and local guardian photos. Okay. So how to fix photos, that I am showing it now. So insert, how to insert images. So first of all, the photo must be in your mobile. So if you don't have in your mobile in the gallery, so you take the photo. You take your photo, your father photo, mother photo. Okay, now I'm showing it, you see. So what you will do, you will just tick on that one and then you will tick on the plus symbol. See the plus, okay? So the moment you click on the plus symbol, you'll get what? You'll get image. You'll get image. Okay? On the image you tick. Then you tick on, after image, you tick on image over cells. Image over cells. Then you tick on from photos. Okay? So from photos, after it, see on the top you click, so you'll get gallery, go to gallery. Okay, so from gallery, suppose your gallery will come out while you have a lot of photos. Suppose I have taken Nida's photo. So now again what, it size may not be compatible, so no problems, you can reduce the size. So you can reduce the size. Okay, now again don't forget to press on the plus symbol, otherwise it will not be saved. So see, now it is saved. Okay, one more I am showing. Suppose father photo you want to insert, so where to click, again plus symbol. So plus symbol, then what, image, image, then from cells, then from photos. Okay, then gallery. Okay, suppose in the gallery, so again say I will take her photo only. So now see, size is not compatible, so you can reduce the size, no size, no issue. Now again don't forget. Okay, so see, now the photos are inserted. So I hope this video will be useful. All of you can fill it up. Even if you have any doubt after watching this video, you talk to your teachers. I am sure they will guide you. And please fill it up seriously and don't edit others' data. Thank you.